that song. Breathe joy in that song. Breathe abundance. Good things to come. Good things to come. Reading a song into her. And that's breathing. Every day we breathe. Our breath is our song. Our song is our breath. So this next song is all about that. And it relies on our breathing to be the center of the music. The song is called Breathe Deeply. Join us. Breathe deeply. The breath is gonna be our music. The breath is gonna be our song. So breathe deeply. Breathe deeply. Breathe deeply. The breath is gonna be our music. Woo! The breath is gonna be our song. And let the breath be our symphony. And let the breath be our orchestra. And let the breath take it over. I can't hear you. Beautiful. We're gonna go off mic for just a second. Let the room sound from it. Yeah. So, I'm part of a religion called Breathe the Air. The fundamental lesson is we all must share. Breathe in deeply and hear the teaching. Exhale completely, now you're preaching. Let's breathe the air, let's share the air. Let's love the air and let the breath be our prayer. And let's share the earth, let's share the earth. Cause that's the entity that gave us birth. And only what we can share will ever have any worth. So let's come together and share the earth. Come on. And let's share our heart. Let's share our heart. Let's start again and get a fresh new start. Do away with labels that divide us in teams and find out what living together really means. Woo. Now
Now go forth, preachers of unity. Share a vision so that we can all see how to heal the human race and heal the land. How to live and love together and understand. Come on. Now go forth, preachers of unity. Share a vision so that we can all see how to share the air, how to share the earth, how to love the air and let the breath be our prayer. Breathe deeply. Breathe deeply. Now, let's celebrate.